about growing seafoam in a limited space and with limited time and maintenance to make seafoam trees. So if you don't want to spend much time or money, but still want fantastic trees and scenery, watch this video. And do like it now, so YouTube will show it to others. Why bother with seafoam? Just look at the scene made with seafoam and bottle brush trees. The seafoam is homegrown. The foliage is ground sponge. The spruce trees are made of boiled rope. Links below give detailed explanation of each of these. Even when you add the cost of some paint and glue, you are still under the cost of a pizza. The Seafoam Garden that you see is little more than a sloping 2 meter by 2 meter patch of dirt between blackberry and blueberry plants. The seedlings were planted in early June. It is now the middle of August. The patch of seafoam is about 25 miles away at a family house in the country. I visit the house about every 3 weeks to mow the lawn and look at my plants. The patch was subjected to minor weeding in early June. Since then, I have not touched it. The seafoam forest is the result of planting of 50 seeds in a seed tray, allowing them to grow to about 5 inches tall, and then putting them in this unfertilized, plain old dirt. Just look at this forest. You can almost put that on a layout untouched and have one fantastic scene. There are several hundred trees and more bushes than that waiting to be harvested when the plants mature. As you watch the video, you will see a red spot in the patch. That is a seafoam plant that for some reason is maturing early. That is what the entire patch will look like in a month or so. I will post a video when that happens, so subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I post that video. For now, I will do nothing more to this patch than let it grow and mature. I won't fertilize, cultivate, weed, or anything else. I'll just look at it every few weeks. The process of germinating seeds and other information about growing seafoam can be found in the link to the playlist below, and which is also visible on your screen at the end of this video. You can get more information about making the trees and the seeds through the links that are shown below. If you have questions or comments, please use the comments box. If you have been growing seafoam, I'd like to see what you are doing. Leave a link in the comments box so I can go wherever it is necessary to look. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy and have a good life. And please give this a like.